Little Anaconda exhaust is sadly on life support. But before it dies, I think we have another good video we can do. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you were to drive up to a campfire and just roll a bunch of coal into it? Well, I have too. That's what we're going to figure out today. Well, guys, I was looking at the footage, and when we first started, and we had all the sawdust in there, and we had the straight pipe, and it was all, the smoke was all concentrated. It was like vroom, sparks everywhere, and I could tell it likes that diesel smoke, because all that diesel smoke is that black stuff y'all are seeing. That's just unburnt fuel. So like, kind of like when you put diesel in a campfire and it kind of flames up a little. That's what you're seeing. It's just smoke coming out of the truck. And don't mind this. That's the HVAC stack. Everyone's gonna be running one in a couple of years, you know. It's like it's the next level of the big 8-inch exhaust tip I had, guys. So don't mind that. But I think that's enough scientific testing for one night. We got the flame up by rolling coal in it, and we haven't burned the truck or the field down yet, so I think this is a good place to stop. Hope y'all enjoyed, and if you have something else you want to see the old Snoopy truck do, just comment. We might do it. You know, we got some land out here, we got stuff to start fires, and we got a diesel truck, so let me know what y'all want to see.